If Steam is downloading games but your disk usage is stuck at 0 bytes or the green line is barely moving, don't worry, you're probably not dealing with a broken install. In most cases, Steam is hitting a bottleneck. That means your internet is downloading the game faster than your drive or CPU can unpack and write it. Steam games are heavily compressed, so your system has to download, decompress, and save files at the same time. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam slow disk usage step by step, so your installs run smoother and faster. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick fixes like this. Let's get into it. The first thing to check is Steam shader pre-caching setting. This is one of the most common reasons for slow disk usage, especially on newer systems. What this feature does is pre-compile shaders in the background so games stutter less when you play them. That sounds helpful, but during a download, it can put a serious load on your drive and cause disk usage to tank. To change it, open Steam, click Steam in the top left, then go to Settings. From there, open Downloads. Scroll down until you find Shader Pre-Caching. If it's enabled, turn off Enable Shader Pre-Caching temporarily and watch whether your disk speed improves. In many cases, just disabling this option can make Steam start writing data normally again. If you notice the disk usage comes back after turning it off, you've likely found the main cause. Next, let's clear the download cache and repair the Steam library folder. Over time, Steam's cache can become bloated or outdated, and that can slow down the connection between Steam and your disk. To clear it, stay inside Steam settings and go back to Downloads. Look for Clear Download Cache and click it. Steam will restart after this, and you'll need to sign back in, so make sure you know your login details before you do it. Once you're back in Steam, go to Settings again and choose Storage. Here, you'll see your installed drives and library folders. Click the three dots next to the drive where your games are installed, then choose Repair Folder. This is a very important step because it can fix permission issues, library errors, or folder problems that may be slowing down file writes. After the repair finishes, try the download again and see if the disk usage is more stable. If Steam is still writing slowly, the next thing to check is Windows write caching. This is especially useful if you're using an SSD or a fast HDD and Steam still seems unable to keep up. To do this, right-click the Start button and open Device Manager. Expand the Disk Drive section, then right-click your SSD or hard drive and choose Properties. In the Properties window, click the Policies tab. Here, make sure Enable Write Caching on the device is checked. This setting can improve performance by allowing Windows to buffer writes more efficiently, which helps Steam dump downloaded data onto the drive faster. Just keep in mind that write caching should only be used on a stable system with reliable power, because an unexpected shutdown could increase the risk of data loss. If you're on a laptop, make sure your battery is healthy and your power plan is stable before leaving this on. While you're testing these fixes, it also helps to close any heavy background apps. Browser tabs, recording software, game launchers, cloud sync tools, and antivirus scans can all interfere with Steam's ability to write data quickly. If your CPU is under heavy load, Steam can also struggle to decompress files fast enough, which makes the disk usage graph look flat, even when the download is active. So if needed, pause other downloads, close unnecessary programs, and give Steam as much system resource access as possible during the install. Another useful tip is to make sure the drive where Steam is installing has enough free space. When a drive is nearly full, performance can drop, especially on SSDs. Try to keep some breathing room available so Steam can unpack and move files without constantly hitting the limits of the disk. If your system drive is packed, moving the Steam library to a faster or emptier drive can also make a big difference. So to quickly recap, if Steam's slow disk usage is causing 0 byte writes or painfully slow installs, start by disabling shader pre-caching, then clear the download cache and repair the library folder, and finally check your Windows write caching policy. In most cases, one of these three fixes will get Steam running much better again. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.